Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to set up email signature here in Pipedrive. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Pipedrive, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Setting up an email signature in Pipedrive ensures that every email you send from the platform maintains a consistent and professional appearance. Once you are logged into your Pipedrive CRM account using your credentials, all you're going to do is hover to the mail section on the left side panel of your dashboard. You see that? The sales inbox. I want you to click on that. Now, if you haven't already, you need to connect your email accounts before you can create a new one. All right. Click on that. And then I'm just going to authorize Pipedrive CRM and just follow the on-screen instructions. And as you can see, once you click on the email section, there's going to be an option that says add signature. All right. Click that. And as you can see, and of course, from here, you can put in your signature. Signature name is going to be like for Deep Laughs. You can put in, you can be more creative if you wanted. Underline, and there's going to be an option for the image. Let's do that. I'm going to attach an image here to make it more creative. I'm going to put in our logo. And once you have done that, all you're going to do is click on save. As you can see, you have the default account signature, which is going to be Deep Laughs. And if you wanted to add another signature, you are welcome to do so. All right. I'm going to add again another, the background color is going to be that. I'm going to add another image. This is going to be best fit, and this is going to be my second email signature. Once I'm happy with that, all I'm going to do is click on save. Basically, okay, that's that. Now, as you can see, by setting up an email signature in Pipedrive CRM, you can enhance professionalism, streamline communication, and support marketing and branding efforts, all while maintaining consistency and efficiency across your organization's email correspondence. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.